Are you ready? It's time to uncover the secret to shedding unwanted belly fat. This video reveals the path to achieving a tight and toned stomach in just 2 weeks. Packed with 6 effective ab exercises, don't miss out on this journey. Watch now and kickstart your transformation. Lunges. The Pranayama Crunches exercise involves lying on your back, bending your knees, and placing your hands behind your head. As you lift upward, engaging your abdominal muscles, you stimulate fat burning in the abdominal region. This exercise targets the rectus abdominis, which is crucial for core strength and stability. By contracting and releasing these muscles, you not only strengthen them, but also enhance the metabolic activity in the area. This increased metabolic rate aids in the breakdown of stored fat, contributing to a reduction in overall body fat percentage over time. Incorporating crunches into your fitness routine alongside a balanced diet can help promote a leaner midsection and improve overall fitness levels. Plank. The plank exercise is performed by maintaining a straight position on your elbows and toes. Tightening your abdominal muscles and holding this position encourages fat burning in the abdominal area. This exercise not only strengthens the abdominal muscles, but also engages the core muscles, aiding in fat loss around the midsection. Holding the plank position enhances body stability and accelerates metabolism. Regularly performing the plank can contribute to reducing fat in the abdominal region and achieving stronger core muscles. Bicycle crunch. The bicycle crunch exercise begins with lying on your back and placing your hands behind your head. Now, lift your legs up and start moving them in a motion resembling pedaling a bicycle while bringing your opposite elbow and knee together. This dynamic movement engages multiple muscle groups, including the abdominal muscles, obliques, and hip flexors, promoting fat burning in the abdominal region. By incorporating this exercise into your routine, you not only strengthen your core, but also increase the metabolic rate, facilitating the breakdown of stored fat. Consistent practice of the bicycle crunch can lead to a reduction in belly fat and improved overall muscle tone in the midsection. Leg raises. Lie on your back, place your hands by your sides. Lift your legs straight up, then lower them down in a controlled manner. This exercise targets the lower abdominal muscles and hip flexors, promoting fat burning in the abdominal area. Regularly performing this exercise can help reduce fat in the abdominal region and achieve a stronger, toned lower abdomen. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position, then sequentially pull each knee towards your chest and quickly alternate between your legs. This dynamic exercise not only accelerates heart rate, but also provides a full body workout, boosting metabolism to promote fat burning. It particularly targets abdominal fat while strengthening arms, legs, and core muscles. Regularly performing mountain climbers enhances fat burning and overall body tone and endurance. Side plank. Lie on your side, supporting your body with your elbow and feet in a vertical position. Keep your body straight and maintain this position. This exercise strengthens the abdominal, oblique, and back muscles, while also promoting fat burning in the waist area. Regularly practicing the side plank can help reduce abdominal fat and contribute to a tighter waistline and stronger core. Great job! You've taken the first step on the journey to a tight and toned stomach. But this journey is not over yet. Don't forget to follow us for more inspiration and ab exercises. Let's continue together to reach your dream stomach. Remember to follow us to stay updated on new content, and let's achieve your goals together.